Top 10 Military Powers 2026. Welcome back to our channel. As we move into 2026, one thing has become clearer than ever. Global military competition is intensifying. Nations are developing advanced drone, hypersonic missile, cyber warfare unit, and naval fleets, all in a race to secure influence in emerging conflict zones. Number one is the United States. The US military combines advanced technology, global logistics, nuclear capability, and unmatched power projection. The US Navy alone operates 11 aircraft carriers supported by 81 disasters and 70 submarines, allowing development across every major ocean. The United States remains the world's strongest military force, maintaining strategic alliance and influence across multiple continents. And finally, at number one is the United States, the undisputed global military leader of 2026. Number 2, Russia. Russia maintaining parity with China in power index at 0.07, but ranking here due to its extensive combat assist and nuclear threat. Russia fields 1.32 million active troops, over 42,000 aircraft, and one of the world's largest tank fleets. Its navy includes submarine, disaster, and single aircraft carrier, reinforcing its strategic role in Russia. Despite economic challenges and sanctions, Russia continues to military production and modernization. Number 3 is China. In third place is China, continuing its rise as a global power. China maintains over 2 million active personnel supported by 3309 aircraft, 68,000 tanks, and a rapidly growing blue water navy. China now operates 3 aircraft carriers with destroyers and submarines, expanding its maritime influence across the Indo-Pacific. China modernization program include hypersonic missile development, cyber warfare capability, and space-based defense system, narrowing the gap with the world top 2 militaries. Number 4, India. India maintains one of the world's largest military force with 1.45 million active troops, backed by a sizable reserve and paramilitary structure. India fields over 2,200 aircraft, 4,200 tanks, and a growing naval fleet including 2 aircraft carriers and 18 submarines. India's military expansion reflects its growing role in the Indo-Pacific
Our forces stand
region,
united and strong.
supported by domestic defense production and international partnership. Number 5, South Korea. At number 5 is South Korea maintaining its position from 2005. South Korea military strength come from a large personal base, over 650 active troops and more than 10 million reserve force. Its air fleet includes 1592 aircraft, while its navy deploys helicopter carrier, destroyer and submarine designed for operation in the Korean Peninsula and surrounding region. With tension in East Asia, South Korea continue rapid modernization and co-development projects, especially with the US defense industry. Number 6, United Kingdom. With a power index of 0.184, the UK continued to modernize its forces, investing heavily in cyber warfare, drones, and naval powers. The Royal Navy operates two aircraft carriers considered among the most advanced in Europe, while the British Army and Royal Air Force benefit from high technology platform and NATO coordination. The UK remains a strategic player in both European and global security matters. So, United Kingdom is top country in the world. Number 7, France. France power index of 0.1878 reflects world class capabilities including nuclear assist, advanced aircraft and Europe only nuclear powered aircraft carrier outside the United States. France maintains over 2640 active troops, 976 aircraft and a navy equipped with destroyers, submarine and nuclear platform, giving France significant global reach. Number 8, Japan. Coming in at number 8 is Japan, a technologically advanced but constitutionally defense power. Japan power index score is 0.1839 and it maintains a well-trained forces of over 3 to 8 personnel. Japan fielded 1443 aircraft, one of the most largest air fleets in Asia, and operates a sophisticated naval forces that include 4 helicopter carriers and 42 destroyers. Despite a slight rating drop, Japan continues upgrading its defense industry through joint programs with allies such as the United States and United Kingdom. Turkey. Number 9 is Turkey, dropping one position from last year. Turkey Power Index stand at 0.192, reflecting a strong and modernization forces Turkey field over 88 triple C personnel backed by more than 10-18 aircraft, including a growing flights of unmanned aerial vehicle and area where Turkey has achieved major international recognition. On the naval front, Turkey continued to expand domestically built warships and amphibious vessels, contributing to its influence across regional water from the Aegean to the Black Sea. Number 10. Italy. Italy has a power index score of 0.2164, placing it among the strongest militaries in Europe. Italy fielded a total personnel strength of 28444, supported by 7 to 9 aircraft, which including modern fighters and helicopters. On land, Italy operates over 200 tankers and more than 7,300 ground vehicles, whereas its navy maintains 196 vessels, including 2 aircraft carriers. Italy military remain a crucial part of NATO security structure and play a key role in the Mediterranean region. And that concludes our ranking of the top 10 military power of 2026 from Europe to Asia. Each nation continues to evolve its capabilities in response to new global challenges. Which countries surprise you the most? Let's know in the comments. Thank you for watching.